If you're thinking about moving up, but you keep getting stuck in the same loop, should we sell first? Can we buy first? What if we end up with 2 mortgages? What if we sell and can't find the next one?
You are not overthinking. You are seeing the real risk.
And today, we're going to make this simple.
Because moving up isn't just about a bigger house, it's a life transition.
And it can absolutely happen smoothly, without chaos, when the plan comes first. Hi, I'm Tamara.
And I'm Ozzy with the Tamara and Ozzy team.
And in this video, we're going to show you the calm, step-by-step move-up path we use with our clients, so you can move forward with confidence. Here's the first mindset shift. Most people call it moving up, but what you're really doing is right-sizing.
Your home isn't wrong. You haven't failed your starter home.
It's just that you've grown. Your life has changed. Your needs have changed.
And a move is often the physical way your life catches up to who you already are.
So if you've been feeling that quiet kind of pressure, too tight, too loud, too cramped, too inefficient, that's not random.
That's your life telling you it's time for a better fit.
Today, we'll walk you through 3 parts. 1, why move up feels stressful, even when you have equity.
2, the 3 smooth ways to move up and how to choose the one that fits your life.
And 3, the move up blueprint, the step-by-step plan that removes the scramble.
Let's start with what's really going on emotionally.
Most move up buyers don't get stuck because they don't want to move. They get stuck because there's a threshold space between the home you're in and the home you want next.
That middle space feels vulnerable.
Think of it like this. You're not just selling a house. You're leaving a shell. It's a shell you've outgrown, and you don't want to be exposed while you find the next one.
That's the real fear behind questions like, what if we can't line up the timing? What if we lose our rate? What if we miss the right house?
And this is where people often make one of 2 mistakes. Mistake number 1, they wait for perfect timing.
They tell themselves, we'll move when rates drop, or we'll move when the market cools. We'll move when everything is perfect.
When is that? But perfect doesn't show up on schedule.
And often, waiting doesn't reduce risk.
No.
It just delays clarity.
Mistake number 2, they rush because of FOMO. They see one house, panic, over-offer, and they accept terms that don't actually work for their life.
So the solution isn't waiting, and it's not rushing.
The solution is strategy.
Because clarity isn't the absence of uncertainty.
It's the presence of a grounded plan. There are 3 main paths for a move-up transition. None is right for everyone.
What matters is matching the path to your life, your finances, and your stress tolerance.
Path 1, sell first. This is where you list your current home first.
Pros, you know exactly what you net. Less chance of carrying 2 payments. Stronger clarity on budget.
The trade-off, you may need a temporary bridge, like a rent back or short-term housing or a tighter house hunt timeline.
This is ideal for people who want maximum financial certainty.
Path number 2, buy first. This is where you secure the next home first.
Pros, no pressure shopping. You can move once you're ready. More control over timing.
And of course, there's a trade-off. It often requires bridge strategies like accessing your equity, certain loan tools, stronger debt to income.
This is ideal for people who want a calm search and have the structure to support overlap.
Path 3, simultaneous. This is where you sell and buy on aligned timelines.
Pros, one move. It's efficient, often feels clean if it lands well.
The trade-off, this requires the highest coordination and therefore stress. It requires strong planning and strong execution.
This is ideal when you have the right preparation and a team coordinating the dance.
Here's the quick way we help clients choose.
If your number one goal is financial certainty, sell first. If your number one goal is shopping calmly, buy first with the right tools. If your number one goal is one clean move, simultaneous, but only with a plan.
And no matter which path you choose, you can't decide it wisely until you know two things:
what your current home could sell for realistically and what you're pre-approved for realistically.
Not guesses, not Zillow, not hope.
Grounded numbers.
This is the part that changes everything. Most people try to move up backwards.
They start by scrolling listings and then they panic when they realize they don't know what they can actually do.
The Move Up Blueprint flips that. Step 1, home equity reality check. We start with a real valuation strategy.
What buyers are paying right now, what would drive multiple offers, what would slow showings, what upgrades matter and what don't.
This gives you a clean equity picture and the confidence to stop guessing.
Step 2, buying power and myth busting. A lot of move-up homeowners think we need 20% down. We can't move until rates are perfect. We need perfect credit.
That's rarely true.
In reality, there are multiple loan structures and timing tools. Your equity is often the lever, and your plan determines how you use it.
Step 3, and that's our timing strategy. This is where we map the calendar.
Ideal list window, ideal shopping window, closing alignment strategy, contingency planning.
This is where the smooth part is made.
Step 4, operational simplicity. This is a big one people skip.
We ask, will this new home run your life more smoothly or add complexity?
Because bigger isn't always better if it creates more maintenance, more stress, more cost leakage, more chores that steal your peace.
Right sizing means better fit, better flow, better life. Step number 5, calm execution. Once the strategy is locked, you don't scramble.
You execute.
You become decisive because you're not guessing anymore.
We've seen move-up clients who were stuck for months become confident in weeks simply by deciding their path first, then shopping with clarity.
That's the difference between reacting to the market and leading your move. If you're thinking about moving up, here's what we want you to hear.
You don't have to decide today, but you can get clear.
And clarity is what makes moving up smooth.
If you want our help building your move-up blueprint, so you know your real numbers, your real options, and your best timing,
we can do that with you in a calm, pressure-free way.
Just reach out and ask for the move-up blueprint.
We'll help you map the path that fits your life. We're Tamara
and Ozzy,
and we'll see you in the next one.